Hi, my name is Bob Lumpkins. This is the Cessna P206 that I have for sale. It's called a P because it has two passenger doors like this, one on either side. The U model is a utility one which has double doors on the other side for carrying bulky items. This Cessna has a brand new engine in it, put out by Continental. It's a IO 520 engine. The propeller here was just rebuilt by Cessna, although it is a Macaulay prop. Cessna is an authorized rebuilder of it, so this is a completely overhauled propeller. It has 3 new tires on it. They were all bought last year, 2018. This here is the other door. Easy to get into for the passenger. Here, you can take a look inside there. Beautiful interior. If you like green. All right, now let me go around the other side. And this is the back of the airplane. Follow me around. There are wheel pants here that went on the airplane originally, but it has oversized tires on it because it was used out of a grass strip. So the wheel pants will come with it, but they won't fit on with those tires. You'd have to replace all the tires to put the wheel pants on. This is the only corrosion that was found on the airplane. It was taken care of, and it's pretty common on 206 elevators. All right, this is the left side of the airplane. And here is the back door, which is pretty small for me, but children could get in there very easy. And behind that, there is a luggage compartment. So this has 6 full seats in it. And here's the pilot's door. There's 4 seats. You have access through this door, and you can get in there and look at the dashboard. Climb up in. It still has a Loran radio in there, which will come out and have a Garmin GPS with ADSB radio replacing it. There is autopilot, but it's marked in-op. Other than that, everything is working 100%. That's it. Now you've seen my airplane. Thanks for watching. Bye.